Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Look at this box, you guys. I received a surprise mail. I really had no idea this was coming my way. And my friend Alisha here in Australia at Love Letter Generation has beautifully surprised me. And I wanted to show you her love of packaging. She packages things so pretty using pretty tapes. And I really wanted to show you this. I love the sticker. It says handmade with love and it's got the snow and cocoa characters on there. So pretty. So let's open this up, you guys. I have also read this long letter, which I absolutely love reading letters. And that letter was in this bag with the pretty pink sequins. And here is a lovely card she made using the Scrapdiva Designs romantic hearts. She double layered the hearts, added the bow and this poodle in the middle. And look at this gemmy cherry, which I absolutely love too. And inside, this is a blank card she left for me so I can use it. So pretty. I can even use that to turn it into a box. So you guys, I haven't been feeling the best, but I am like slowly feeling okay, and I really just wanted to open this mail slowly. So I have this lovely heart stickers for me to use for seals and things. So I'm super happy to have some of those. And then this one is a treat pouch from Scrapdiva Design, and she used this lovely Valentine's paper, and I'm thinking this is a Valentine's paper from America. I'm thinking. And it's even got pink Velcro, so I can decide to close it like that if I wanted to. And look, what a lovely surprise. Look at this. She's included beads in here for me. Oh my gosh, I don't have these. Oh, I don't have these. And I've seen American crafters buy these. They are so pretty. They're the pink dresses. Very, very pretty. And look, she's like double layered the hearts and added the scalloped border one. I love the shape so much. And she added the XOXO on top. That's a pretty heart. Oh my gosh. Next, I see strawberry. Oh my gosh. This is a packet of strawberry beads and strawberry colors. And guess what? I don't have any of this. I don't have any. I may have the red shiny one, but I don't have, please don't roll off the desk. I don't have this one, and I love it. Look at this. It's got shimmer color. That is so pretty. And I don't have this one either. So pretty. Oh my gosh, and this one, I don't have this kind either. And look at these. I don't have any of these. Yep, they started rolling off. I don't have a lot of these. Thank you so much. Oh, I love them. Very, very pretty. And then the next I see are the XOXO border strips. Now these look so pretty, all the color combos. And I love how she decorated it using the heart puffy stickers of the conversation hearts. And then she added this pink pearlescent cardstock bows, arrows, not bows. See what I mean? I can't come up with the right word. Oh, me. Oh, dear. And then this one. Oh, my gosh. I love this one. So pretty. Oh, I love this cherry so much. It is just such a stunning acetate piece. And then she added a champagne bottle. And you know, I've been searching for this bow, you guys, on Ali and stuff, and I just can't find it. I really tried. I typed in tiny bows, velvety bows, hair tie bows. I tried all sorts of things. I just couldn't find it. So I'm gonna have to try to make something like that. And then look at this. Look at this wired one with like tiny pom-poms on it. I haven't seen anything like that. Ah, this is so pretty too. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so you guys, I have to gain some energy back, but yeah, I haven't done die cutting for just a couple days and I miss it already. Oh my goodness. And she's like double layered the top disco hat part, and she's used foam. Oh my gosh. And look at that stripy holographic cardstock that she used. So magical. And then in here, she's included, oh my gosh, I love these. I love these. And they look like balloons to me. They really do. And I love this hat too. And look at this flower bouquet that's all layered with this pretty bow. This one says hugs, kiss. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh, I love those. They look like balloons to me. Valentine balloons. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And then you guys, here is strung beads of hearts, and they are faceted. So pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Perfect with this bow here. And then I see some love bag topper, and she cut out all of those the dye that she got from America. So nice. And I love how she did that. Added the shimmery heart on the arrow. Oh, I love these bows. These are so pretty. And she cut out so many for me. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love these. Look at how many she's done. And all that poking out the holes. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So pretty. Thank you so much. And then you guys, here is a bigger love bag topper, bigger size. And I love how she added the XOXO. I love this bow too. This bow paperclip. And then this one here is the romantic rectangle. And she's wrapped around some trim samples. I don't have anything like this. And this one, you guys, can you see the iridescent line through with the organza? That is so pretty. Very pretty. And then here is the Valentine hearts or pink hearts. I can use the pink hearts throughout the year. I love them. Thank you so much. I love getting a variety of trims like this. And then she's included this. Oh my gosh, this has to be from America. I know she got Anna from America to help her buy things. And oh my goodness, I love this ticket napkin so much. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I definitely have to do some laminating with these. Oh, and then she sent me the cherry, the disco ball cherries. Oh my gosh, Christy recently gifted me one and I have another one. Oh, I'm gonna so enjoy using every one of these. I really love these. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And then she's also included this Jenny Bee. Oh, this is a glow in the dark. Wow, I'm gonna have to test it out. Wow, this is glow in the dark. And these are rainbows, perfect for spring crafting and all year round. And then she's got some strawberry stickers with gold foil. Oh my gosh, these are just so pretty. Oh, and then I can see cherry notebook. Oh my gosh. And I love this matte finish. Matte finish shine, not like the glossy finish. Oh, I'm gonna start writing stuff in there for sure. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And then we have this large pouch of beautiful hearts. So soft to touch, so pretty. And then she's included this Hello Kitty key ring on the side. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So pretty. And inside she's packed this thing. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is strawberry shaped pom-pom, you guys. How fun is this? I don't have anything like this. And then, oh my gosh, there's more strawberry magic in here. She got me strawberry shortcake scented lip gloss, and I know this is from America. Oh my gosh. How am I supposed to open this? Oh, the packaging is so nice too. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you so much. And then, oh, here's another strawberry dimensional sticker. Oh man, this is so nice. And then, oh, she sent me one of these. Oh my gosh. I love seeing this when she was showing it. I was like, oh yeah, those are very pretty. It's got pink cherries and strawberries. And the sliced strawberry has a heart as well. Oh, thank you so much, Alisha. Thank you. Oh my gosh. And then this, it's like bubble wrapped. And it's got that pretty bow paper. And it's a trinket dish of strawberries and hearts. Oh my goodness. So pretty. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Thank you so much. And, oh, you didn't. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to so cherish this. I really love these. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love these. Thank you so much. And then these are confetti hearts. And I love the shimmery glitter hearts. And there's so much in here. And then this one. Is this from America too? Oh my gosh, I love these. Wow. And then this one. This is from Michael's. I know, because I've been seeing people buy them. Oh. Thank you so much. And look how spacious this is. Oh my gosh. I'm going to store things in here. All the pouches that she's gifted me in the past, they've got either like bead stuff in it or bead dangles or tools. It's got things in there. This is so pretty. Such a pretty color too. Thank you so much, Alisha. Oh, thank you. You really did not have to send all of this to me. I really appreciate everything. And I love everything. And you know how much I'm going to cherish everything. And I will so enjoy using them. Thank you so much. Bye for now, everybody. Make sure you guys go watch Alisha's channel. Bye.